Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how I make my bling press-on nails. Everything I will be using will be from the brand Born Pretty. I will link everything down below and I will tell you what I'm using. To start out, I'm just going in with some full cover tips. I chose to use square, like a medium length tip, just because I'm not going anywhere. If I was going out or this was a special occasion, you guys know I like really long nails, and I would have went the whole full mile and did long nails. So just starting out, you do want to make sure you prep the nails. Very important that you buff the nails so that everything you adhere to the nail from here on out will stick. You don't have any peeling. Whether you're making these for yourself or for your client, you want to make sure you don't skip this step. It's crucial into having your press-ons last a long time. My press-ons last, no lie, 2.5 to 3 weeks, and most of the time, but at the 2-week, 3-week mark, I only have like maybe one or two that fell off that I had to glue back on, but I do have to soak them off to get them off. So if you're someone who is looking to get away from acrylic nails and want to give your nails a break, I'd highly recommend press-on nails. So after I go in and buff the nails, I do take my 80 grit file and just lightly buff the edge of it where we clip that little piece off that hang on the edge of the full tip, and sometimes the half tip nails. I just want to make sure that's not there. So after I do that, I do go in and I dust away any dust that is on the nails. This also is an important step. You cannot begin to polish if you have dust on the nails because it will show up. I'm a little extra, and because I sell my press-ons, I do take pride into making sure every step is carefully done. So I do take a small makeup brush and go underneath to get any dust that may went up underneath the nail, and then I go back on top with the buffer again. After that, I'm just going to go in with a lint-free wipe with some alcohol, and I'm going to go over the nail twice. I don't know if I show you guys twice. Yeah, I go over the nail twice just to make sure all of that lint is gone. I did prep the nails with a base coat off camera, and the first reflective glitter gel that I am going with is the shade The Vast Seas. You can't do bling press-on nails, in my opinion, without a glitter gel polish underneath. It's just more flawless when you do this. Unless your client or yourself is going for a clear background, I highly suggest if someone orders bling press-on nails that you go in first with these steps. It will give the nail an illusion of being very full, even if you may have missed a spot on the nail with the bling. So next I'm going in with the shade Forgetting Fountains. Yeah, Forgetting Fountains. I'm going in with that shade. And this shade is also a lot similar to the first, but it's a little bit more thicker in the sense of, you'll see here, I didn't have to dip back into the product. I'm still using the same swab that I took out with glitter gel on it to apply. I could have did probably all the rest of the nails without dipping back in it. This had very, very good coverage. And then lastly, I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is my favorite. It's called Galaxy Silver. If you don't pick up any of these, I'd highly recommend you pick up this one. This is just beautiful. I want to make me some nails without the bling, with just this color on it. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at the chunkiness. It's just beautiful. If you pick up any, let me know, but I highly recommend this one here. Now I will be going in with my IBD gel. At this time, you would use whatever it is you use to adhere your stones. I really don't have any issues with the IBD gel. It's just an extra step that I have to do when I do add the top gel polish to it. So here, like I said, I'm just going in with the IBD gel. I don't need a lot of it. A little does go a long way. You don't want it too clumpy. And then now to seal that in, I am going in with the Born Pretty gel top polish very lightly. I don't want to push the gel around that I previously put on around. And yeah, voila, clean up the sides. You do not want to cure this right now. You just want to go straight in to adding your bling. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm adding my bling. You can add whatever kind of bling you want. I am going in with the bling that I choose to use. I know, people are really funny about which rhinestones they use. By any means, at this point, you will want to go in and use what stones you use. I like to stagger my stones like a puzzle: small, large, medium, extra large, just depending on what size nail that I'm doing. Here is the pinky, so I'm going in with stones that I feel fit the pinky nail best. So I'm just moving it around, putting stones where they belong. And this is pretty much it. The only thing about the IBD gel, the stones still move around after you're done placing them. So before you pop it in your lamp, you do have to go in and make sure everything is flush. Everything on the sides is pushed where it's supposed to be. Nothing is hanging off, because once you cure it in the lamp, that's it. It's there, it's stuck, it's not going anywhere. Please keep in mind that this is a very tedious process and it is very time consuming. So when you order press-ons from someone, it's not just for the materials that they use. It also includes the time it took to make that particular set. The next nail is pretty much the same process. The only difference is the nail is a little bit bigger. So I did try to go in with bling that was a little bit bigger to fit the size of this nail. I don't include every nail. I think I skip over to the thumb after this just because it is very repetitive. But here I'm just doing the same thing. I'm picking up stones that fit this nail and I'm just jigsawing it into like a puzzle type of thing, just doing them all small, medium, and large and stuff like that. I want to say now, before I forget, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you might want to do that now. Pause this video, go over there and subscribe and become part of my little family. Shout out to the last person that won the glitter giveaway. I don't know if you guys noticed, but we have reached 1K. I am so excited. Thank you to everyone that constantly communicate with me. Some of y'all rock with me on YouTube and Instagram. It doesn't go unnoticed, and I do appreciate everything. Up until now, I have done over 12 giveaways. Like every 2 or 3 videos I do a giveaway. But let me know down below if you guys think I should do a big giveaway for one person to win 1K, or should I keep doing the giveaways every other video like I've been doing. I kind of like the every other video just because it gives me a chance to give to numerous people. The shipping is killing me, but like I said, I'd rather give to a bunch of different people rather than just one person. But if you guys choose to have me give one big giveaway, I will do that. So leave that down below, and shout out to everyone so far that has entered a giveaway and won. But let me stop rambling. Look at these nails. Look at them. Bomb as hell. Like, these nails are top tier. I would charge for this length $75. Sometimes I include free shipping, or if not, shipping is $4. But look at this. Just look. Born Pretty didn't come to play. They help me slay my press-ons whenever I do them. And I'm going in with some cuticle oil. If you saw me out, you would not know that I had on press-on nails. And let me just retract. Yes, these are $75 nails. My longer length go anywhere from $95 to $150 depending on what type of stones that I am using. To do 2 hands in this length right here would take me about 2 hours, not including my materials. So everything equals itself out. These are like my #1 sellers. And yeah, let me know down below if you would wear these. I always say that, and y'all don't let me know if you would wear them. I would really like to know if you would wear the nails. I want to say shout out to Born Pretty because they always come through for me, and I do have a discount code with them. I will leave it on the screen right here, and if I forget to leave it right here, it will be down below. Go check them out. Go let them know on their Instagram page that I sent you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and most importantly, like I said before, subscribe. And y'all know I'm not going to go anywhere without giving you a close-up of these nails. If you would like to order press-ons from me, hop on over to Instagram. I am nailed_by shy, and hop in my DMs and you can order and we can converse there on what you want. These nails are slaying. You can't tell me that they are not. My press-ons do come with a full nail kit. Glue is included, KDS glue, and I normally ship out anywhere within the 24-hour mark or 48-hour, depending on what time of day you order. So you don't have to wait long when you order press-on nails from me. Again, thank y'all. I'll check y'all out in my next video. Don't forget to follow me over there on Instagram at nailed_by shy. Bye.